Hello again. It's been a fairly cloudy picture through today. We've seen a strong northwesterly wind, but the winds will start to ease down as we head through tonight, keeping a fair amount of cloud for many of us, but it will start to turn that bit colder as we look towards the north. And that's all courtesy of this cold front. It's going to sink its way southwards as we head through the overnight period, staying fairly cloudy in the south, bits and pieces of light rain and drizzle, but behind it to the northern part of the UK, well, clearer skies feeding in here, but a fairly strong northerly wind, especially down North Sea coasts. Temperatures in the north into single figures overnight, but it stays fairly mild, 13 degrees across much of the south. So a mild, fairly damp start to the day here. That excess cloud clearing away from the far southwest. Brighter skies following on behind, and for many of us, Sunday afternoon will become pretty fine. But we've got that strong northerly wind blowing in a few showers down North Sea coast. These could be wintry across the far northeast of Scotland, and temperatures struggling, highs of just 8 or 9 degrees, keeping it a little bit milder across the far southwest. But add on the strength of the wind, well, for many North Sea coastal parts, it's going to feel pretty cold out there, feeling raw across the Northern Isles. It feels like temperature of just 1 degrees, down into the mid-single figures the further south. So it will be a fairly chilly start to the night, and that then sets us up for a pretty cold night to come. Widely clear skies across the UK, just a little bit of cloud and a few showers feeding in on that North Sea coast. But for many of us, these are your temperatures in towns and cities. Colder than this out in the countryside, a widespread frost to wake up to first thing on Monday morning. You might need to scrape the ice off the windscreen if you're heading out early to work. But it will give us a bright start to the day on Monday, but it won't last for very long, I'm afraid. We'll start to see thicker cloud spreading in from the Atlantic, and that will turn skies pretty cloudy by mid to late morning. And later in the day, we'll start to see a little bit of rain pushing in to the far northwest. And under that cloud, after that cold start, well, the temperatures are going to struggle to rise. Highs of just 9 or 10 degrees for some of us, feeling pretty chilly all day. And one thing to mention before I go is that the clocks are set to go back an hour as we head through tonight. So that gives you an extra hour in bed. Bye-bye.